Welcome everyone for this video. In this video, we'll be seeing how to navigate the website. First of all, I would like to thank you for joining our MRCM SBA Jan 2026 diet. So in this diet, we will be concentrating or we will be targeting the Jan diet in 2026 SBA to pass not only to pass but score and good score. First, let us see how to navigate the sources and how to get enter into the live class and join a Telegram group. The thing is you need to open a browser. Ideally, the browser will be the Chrome browser. You can use it, or you can use a Safari browser if you're using any iPhone or you are using a Mac device. That is basically I'm talking about Apple devices use Safari. If you're using anything other than Apple devices, then use Google Chrome. These are the preferred browsers. Other browsers might have its own difficulties. So if once you open an Chrome browser, so this is the Chrome browser, what I'm opening here in the address bar, type the website name. The website name is Dr. AAMRCM courses. What you're seeing here, I have typed and I have pressed enter. Once I press enter, you enter into the home page. This is your home page. Here on the right upper corner, you can see there is an my account. So click my account. Once you click the My Account, this page appears here. You enter your email address or the username. The preferred one is to enter the email address. Here I have already entered the email address followed by the password. This is the same email address and password what you used to create the profile during the payment. So use the same one. If you use the different one, it will not be there obviously. So then you click login. Once you click log in, it will take to your account and it will show all the courses what you're subscribed for. Here you can see there are multiple courses, but as you're only subscribed for MRCM SBA Jan 2026, only this will be appearing. So just click this, so it will enter into the course. So it will show the course content. You can see all of this is the course content which is present here. The first thing what I want you to do is click this one, join Telegram discussion group. So this is a group meant for discussion, discussion between you other students. So between your colleagues, what we are expecting. So discuss, the more you discuss, the better it is. At the same point of time, if I want to, uh, I want to update something, or I want to do some corrections from the class, it will be done on the Telegram group and the message will be pinned. So joining this Telegram group is very important. So I recommend everyone to join. So how you will join? First thing what you need to do is in the device where you open this website, make sure in the same device there is a Telegram app. The Telegram app is logged in and you are using the same number what you are used to register yourself on the website, and make sure your number is unhidden. Then click the group link here. Once you click the group link, it will redirect you to your Telegram app and send a request to us. That request will be accepted within 24 hours. So give us some time, within 24 hours, it will be accepted. After sending the request, please message to this number your name as well as your order number. Okay, at least message your name so that we are aware that you are the same person who has sent. And make sure your number is visualized. That means your number shouldn't be hidden. If it is hidden, we'll not come to know you are the same person. So please make sure it is unhidden. Second thing, we'll be seeing how to go through the live classes. So this is the live classes what is here. So click the live classes. Live classes are conducted on the Zoom platform. So what you'll be doing? So you need to have an Zoom app, log in into the Zoom app, and make sure your username is the same name what you are used in the website. So you should correlate with the name what is used in the website, because our moderator will go through each one of the candidates. If the name is mismatching, they will remove you from the live class. If you repeat doing the same thing, this can be escalated also. For that particular reason, to avoid the confusion, so make sure you have the Zoom app, you're logged into the Zoom app, and change the username to your own name. If you're having any difficulty to changing your name, changing your username in the Zoom, Google it. It is very easy to do it. There are plenty of videos and tutorials which will teach you how to do it. Once you have done this, then click the live class. This live class button will be functional only before 5 to 10 minutes before the class. It will not be functional all the time, only 5 to 10 minutes before the class. Below this live class button, the schedule will be put up. Usually this schedule will be available by 25th of the month. While I'm recording this video, it's not at 25th of the month. So I've just put up the first class, which is on the 10th, 9th month, 2025. It will be introduction, X-ray and ECG part 1. It will be done. Next one, we'll be seeing what are the other classes what are mentioned here. First one, let us see the introduction, X-ray and ECG. These are the classes names what we are having here. Once you enter in one of this, you will find a blueprint. So this one, what you are seeing, a blueprint, download button is here. If you click this, it will get downloaded. It is in the PDF form. It will get downloaded. So what I'm expecting here, I want you to download it, take a printout of it and make your own notes. This blueprint will have plenty of caps. It is not a notes. It is and just its outer line how to make a notes so you can make a notes easily. It is very much similar to that of the slides what I've been given, but half of the matter will be deleted. I want you to fill it up either during the class or after the class, or again you watch the video and fill it up. This will help you with the revision. This will make sure you have your own notes. Having your own notes is important. If I just give everything, it doesn't make sense. You can go ahead and read that internally itself. You making your own notes, it's your own notes. That will go a long way in helping you pass the exam. Below this, you will find the recorded video of that particular class. For example, on 10th, the class will be done. After or within 24 hours, the class will be uploaded. The recorded video of that particular class will be uploaded on the website and it will be available to you. So here is the video. You can just press the play button and it will play. So remember that before the class, obviously it will not be available because recorded video will not be there. After the class, it will not be available immediately. Give us around 24 hours of time. It will be available on the website. So within a day's time, it will be available. Then you can see n number of times. There is no limit how many times you can watch the video. Below that, you can see our quiz. So each one of these chapters, you can see if you go to the cardiologist, in cardiology also there is a quiz which is present here. So every chapter has the quiz. This quiz has the questions which has appeared in the previous diet. Okay. Whenever I say the recall questions, they're not exactly line to line recall, which is impossible to have it. So we add up a scenario, we add a few options and get the information from as many students as possible and frame a question and place it here. And these are there in the quizzes. Quizzes are in two modes. One is the revision mode, another one is the test mode. What's the difference? Difference is how it is presented, not the difference between the questions. The questions what you see in the revision mode and the test mode are one and the same. In revision mode, what will happen? So I'm clicking the revision mode here so that I can demonstrate you. So in revision mode, once you click start quiz, the first question has appear. You just click on answer. Then you can check here. If you press check button, it will show. So the option what I have selected is correct. That's why it is showing in green. And the brief explanation why this is the correct answer will be given below. Then you click next, you'll go to the next question. You pick up an option. For example, I pick up this one and I press check. When I press check, it says what I picked up is wrong. This is the correct one, what is there. And the explanation is given briefly about why is that particular option is correct. So you get immediately the answer. That is one difference from the test mode. Another difference is there is no time what is present here. Here also you can skip, you can go directly to the 24th one if you want and solve the 24th one, then come back and third one you want to solve. You want to just skip this one and go to the fourth one. All those options are available. Now let us see what is test mode. I'm just clicking the test mode here. Once you click the test mode, again a start quiz will appear. So press the start quiz. A timer will start. So this is like testing. This is like a mini test what you're having. The time duration is calculated similar to your exam. So you have the time duration here. So you have the question, you click an answer, you go to the next one, second one. No, you do not want to answer the second one. You can jump to the fifth one you want to answer. And you want to answer sixth one. Okay, you can go, or you can go in a sequential manner. Yes, but answers are not shown immediately. Okay, that's the difference. The answers are not shown immediately and it is time based. You should finish in this particular time. If you're not able to finish it, the exam will close. This will help you to navigate through the question, at the same time help you to basically speed in your speed and help you to know that in how much time you're taking to solve so many questions so that you can finish the paper easily in the exam. So at the end, what will happen if you want to end it? So you need to click this quiz summary. Once you click this summary, finish quiz, you will be pressing. Once you finish quiz, you have pressed the button, then it will show what is the average score, what is your score. Then if you want to review where you have gone wrong, view questions, click that. then you're gone. First one you want to see, this is the first one question what you're having. No, seventh one I want to see. So this is the seventh one question what you're having. Now you want to go in a sequential manner, eighth one, if you can just scroll it down, ninth one, tenth one, it will show, and you had clicked which button, or you click, or you have selected which option. Was it right? Was it a wrong? What is the explanation? Everything will be given here. Mock exam will be conducted at the end, approximately a month before mock exam will be released, so that you can give the mock exam and test yourself. So that will be released at an later date. Next thing I want to talk about the privacy. I'm making it very clear that pirating the material, it might be a screenshot just to show it to me also, it might be, or you want to just do it to your colleague, you're keeping to yourself, you're not sharing, doesn't matter. Taking screenshot in any manner, taking from another device, from screen to screen, or you're just taking a screenshot from a mobile or from a laptop or any device, doesn't matter. If you take a screenshot, it will be considered as an piracy and you will be immediately removed from the course. Next thing is recording is absolutely not allowed. Piracy might be in any manner. It is not allowed at all. Sharing your login credentials is not allowed at any cost. Do not logging into any of the public devices or any of your friend devices. You are only allowed to use it in your own device. Do not use public devices. Do not use your friend devices. I use friend devices. From there, you came to know login was shared. No, we will not buy that. You will be removed from the course if you're found to share your login credentials, if you're found to logging into a device which is not your personal device, if you're found to sharing any materials of our course, if you're found to taking any screenshots or recording the website or recording the videos, it will result in immediate termination of your course. So take it seriously, use it for yourself, you're paid for it, so that you can use and pass this exam. I wish all the best for everyone. Thank you.